The last thing you want to do is expose yourself to toxins when it's time to get a good night's rest. Let's discuss the potential health hazards of sleeping on toxic sheets and explore the alternatives. Bedding items treated with toxic chemicals can cause skin irritation, itching, redness, and allergic reaction. Many conventional sheets contain formaldehyde and VOCs, which can cause respiratory issues. Substances found in sheets can also disrupt the endocrine system, causing hormonal imbalances, as well as headaches and dizziness due to inhaling toxic chemicals. The chemicals found in toxic sheets include formaldehyde, chlorine bleach, pesticides, and artificial dyes. Luckily, there are safer and more sustainable bedding options that often include organic cotton sheets, sustainable linen sheets, and bamboo bed sheets. When choosing non-toxic bedding alternatives, make sure to look for certifications, read customer reviews, and read labels and product information. Keeping your sheets and pillowcases clean goes beyond just tossing them into the washer and dryer every now and then. It's important to use non-toxic laundry detergent made with safe, eco-friendly ingredients. The EnviroKlenz laundry detergent powder is the ultimate solution for a non-toxic laundry detergent. Our detergent has combined its mineral-based odor-fighting technology with Earth's natural cleaning ingredients to deliver your best wash without any harsh chemicals or fragrances. Other hacks include drying your bedding thoroughly as well as avoiding the use of dryer sheets. Discover safe and effective solutions for sustainable bedding today at EnviroKlenz.com.